Hi guys, this is Lashmani. Today we are just going to discuss you about CSS. What is CSS? CSS is used to control the style of a web document in a simple and easy way. It stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So there are three types of CSS. We are going to discuss you about types of CSS. There are three types of CSS. First is known as internal CSS. Second is known as external CSS, and third is known as inline CSS. So what is internal CSS? A CSS which is defined in an HTML document is known as internal CSS. CSS which is defined in an HTML document is known as internal CSS. And now we are going to discuss about external CSS. CSS which is defined outside an HTML page in an CSS format is known as external CSS. And inline CSS. CSS which is defined inside an HTML tag is known as inline CSS. So where we use it? Suppose if we want to design a particular page, we have only one page, so we use internal CSS, because whatever the style which you want to give in the particular page, I will use internal CSS. But if I want to control multiple pages, suppose I have 10,000 pages, 5,000 pages, 10 pages, so I can control multiple pages by one CSS, that is external CSS. And now suppose if I want to style a particular tag, I don't want to define the styles, so I just directly go in the tag and just define the inline CSS. Okay, so if you want to define the external CSS or internal CSS, you should have a knowledge of selectors. There are lots of popular selectors of CSS, but we are just only talking about three of them. So first we are just talking about tag. What is tag? Tag is those type of selector in which we can just customize the tag. Suppose I have a paragraph in my web page. I want to give the background color to the paragraph. I just define the P and just give the background color to the paragraph. So whatever the paragraph which is just coming in the web page, that all becomes red. Now we are just going to talk about class. What is class? Class is defined by dot and by class name, and that's called by class name using a class identifier, or you can say class attribute. Okay, so with the help of a class, we can just style whatever the tag which I want. Suppose I will have defined the class ABC, so that contains background color red. So in whatever the tag which I want the background color red, I just directly call the class. Then third, we just talk about ID. ID is also defined by hash. ID is defined by hash and is called by ID name wherever you want. But the question is, what is the difference between the class and the ID? Class actually be used multiple times on a page, but if we just talk about the ID, ID is a unique identifier. We can use only one time in one page. We cannot call the same name of ID more than one times. But if we have a different name of IDs, we can just call it wherever we want. So that is known as class, and it's a tag and ID. So tag can be used to customize a tag. Class can be used wherever we want to apply. And if you just talk about ID, ID is defined by hash, and wherever we want we can just apply. But that is only a unique identifier. We can use once in a page. Thank you.